In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Instagram filters. So even though the filter icon is not showing up as of right now, make sure you keep watching and then I'll explain how you can actually get these filters. So as you can see right there, I'm on this profile from Arno Portissimo, and as you can see right there, he has a ton of filters. So he's actually the creator of this Disney filter, which is trending. People like Nikki Tutorials and David Dobrik are using it. But if you want to get this and you're not able to, as you can see right there, he says a lot of you don't get the filter. Solution number one, update your Instagram and then go to the filter section or swipe up. So most of you will probably have to update Instagram. So go to your Play Store, find Instagram, and then click on update. For me, it says uninstall since I've already got the latest version, and that's why I'm actually able to find all of the filters myself. As you can see right there, I'm able to find filters. So if you're not finding these filters as of right now, make sure you go ahead and update on Instagram, or you can also try to go to the profile from the person and then click on the filter right there at the top, and then you can actually click on try it as well, which also works out. As you can see right there, if I just flip my camera, you can see that I'm also getting the filter right now. Now that's exactly how to get these filters. If this helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on this video. I would appreciate that. Have a nice day.